Welcome to the First Person Care Consultants Employment Resources video. The IRIS program offers various types of employment support to IRIS participants to obtain and maintain employment. First Person Care Consultants is here to assist you with meeting your employment goals. This video will serve as an introduction to taking the first steps towards employment and your options moving forward. In this video, we will cover information about the Division of Vocational Rehabilitation, supported employment for individuals, supported employment for groups, vocational futures planning and support, and pre-vocational services. What is the Division of Vocational Rehabilitation? The Division of Vocational Rehabilitation, or DVR, is a federal and state program designed to help people with disabilities to obtain, maintain, and advance in their employment. DVR provides employment services and counseling to people with disabilities, provides or arranges for services to enable an individual to go to work, and provides training and technical assistance to community employers regarding disability employment issues. DVR collaborates with the Wisconsin Department of Health Services to expand their programs and services. Please reach out to your IRIS consultant directly for more DVR resources. What is individual supported employment? If you need ongoing support to obtain and maintain an individual job in competitive employment, individual supported employment might be the choice for you. This service can be provided through different models and includes job-related discovery, participant-centered employment planning, work incentive benefits counseling, job placement, career advancement services, and more. The outcome of this service is sustained paid employment at or above the minimum wage in the general workforce that meets your personal and career goals. Individual supported employment also is used to help you to establish or maintain self-employment, including aiding you to identify potential business opportunities, assisting in the development of your business plan, identifying necessary supports for you to operate your business, and ongoing assistance, counseling, and guidance once your business has been launched. If you feel individual supported employment is the best choice for you, please reach out to your IRIS consultant. What is group supported employment? Group supported employment are services and training activities provided in regular business, industry, and community settings for groups of 2 to 8 workers receiving supported employment. This service must be provided in a manner that promotes integration into the workplace and interaction between participants and people without disabilities. The outcome of this service is sustained paid employment and work experience, leading to further career development and individual integrated community-based employment for you at or above minimum wage. This employment will not be less than the customary wage and level of benefits for the same or similar work performed by individuals without disabilities. If you believe group-supported employment is the right choice for you, please reach out to your IRIS consultant. What is vocational futures planning and support? Vocational futures planning and support is a person-centered, team-based, comprehensive employment planning and support service that aids you to obtain, maintain, or advance in employment or self-employment or microenterprise. The VFPS employment plan is based on an individualized determination of your strengths, needs, and interests, analysis of your barriers to work, identification of the assets you bring to employment, benefits analysis and support, and more. Your IRIS consultant is here to help you with learning more about vocational futures planning and support. What are pre-vocational services? Pre-vocational services are services that provide learning and work experiences where you can develop general on-the-job task-specific skills that contribute to employability within paid employment in integrated community settings. These services should involve strategies that enable you to attain the highest possible wage and level of work in the most integrated setting that aligns with your interests, strengths, priorities, abilities, and capabilities while following applicable federal wage guidelines. These services develop and teach general skills that lead you to employment, including the ability to communicate effectively with supervisors, coworkers, and customers, follow directions, attend to tasks, problem solve, and general workplace safety and mobility training. For additional information on obtaining employment, please meet with your IRIS consultant directly. First Person Care Consultants thanks you for taking the time to watch this video. We look forward to working with you to ensure your success with obtaining resources for employment.